Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to connect and use SMC's free HRR monitoring software to check the status and update the settings via a connected PC. Let's begin. First, navigate the SMC website and download the HRR Thermo Chiller monitoring software for free. We enter the HRR series code in the search box. This takes us to the product information page where you can access all supporting literature including manuals and sizing software. At this point we have access to the monitoring software. Connect from your PC to the USB socket on the front of the HRR. Run the monitoring software on the PC. Finding the connected HRR should be automatic. However, if this is not the case, please check that the PC's communication port settings and connect manually. Under monitoring, the software shows flow and return temperatures, flow rate as well as heat load in real-time graph form. By selecting chart, running status and operation hour count values from the HRR can be viewed in real time. When selecting settings and confirming control, various changes to settings can also be made. Here, we see the HRR set point temperature being changed on the PC from 20 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. This parameter setting is then uploaded to the HRR. Should any alarm be active, it too will be displayed along with information useful for fault finding. Here we see alarm AL21 operating, indicating an abnormal high circulating liquid discharge pressure fault has been detected. The HRR operation is stopped. We view the HRR in flowchart form and we can confirm that the flow sensor is measuring 0 liters per minute. Now you've seen how to monitor and update running parameters of the HRR. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see how easy it is to work with SMC's range.